Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I've got a really cool product I'd really like you to check out. I just got this in, and I think it's pretty darn cool. Never had anything like it, really. But what it is, and you guys know what it is, it's this Synco shotgun mic. It's D2 hypercardioid directional condenser shotgun microphone with XLR connection. I actually had to buy something to make sure that my XLR connection would work, right? Stop talking, Ken. Let's go. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up because it is big. Go ahead and get this flipped around, and whoa, that is nice. Let me pull that out and set this off to the side, and then, ooh-wee. Does it open all the way? Yeah, it does. Synco? Okay. Ooh. So what do you have inside? We have a manual. I'm leaving the bag here because it looks kind of nice, to be honest. You have a mount, it looks like, for the mic and the shotgun here. I hope that fits. That looks painfully small. All right, we have a cable connection, the XLR connection right here. Maybe a 3-foot cable, quite short. So my little thingy, I'm gonna have to set it down here probably to check it out. Let's keep going around the horn. You have the sock, the dead cat, whatever term you want to use, for basically, you know, so that you don't blow on it, get a bunch of peas and puffs and weird sounds and pufferage. I don't know, is that a word? Okay, that appears to be pretty much everything. There's the XLR connection right there. This is the end of the mic, and I will tell you, this is a very stout piece of metal. This is heavy. I mean, you could do some damage with this. It's very stout. Let's go ahead and pull this off the side. Love the case, but we don't need it right now. Let me set that over there for now. Okay, so the connection appears to go like so. And then this guy, I don't know, how do you get this on? Ah, that's how you get it on. It actually fits. Okay, it does fit. I've got the way to make the stand work. Okay. So this is going to work, barely. All right, if I use this and bring this down here, and then I plug this in to one of these, and I don't know if this mic will work. Testing 1, 2, oh my God, it does work. So, testing. Oh my God, you can't, wow. Okay, so that's much better. Yeah, oh my God, the popping and that's just beautiful. This sounds really good. So this is the test. This is the test of, I have this audio. I'll turn that off. We'll just do this guy right here solely for this. And then, yeah, let's see what happens when I turn this off. Hello? Is this thing still working at 48 volts? It doesn't need phantom power. Does it? Yeah, yep, it needs phantom power. I heard it weaken and flop away. Is this working now? Oh my God, it is. Wow, that's what it was. So on the recorder, push down equals mic plus PC. And then if you push it, you know, it's actually the reverse of what I'm thinking. So anyway, so to get this thing dialed in, obviously you need this thing pretty close to your face for the shotgun. But even if you're further away and you're shooting at the right direction, it picks up a decent amount of voice pretty well. If I gain it up a little bit, it does seem to have a bit more hum and buzz in the background because I'm obviously turning it up. Yeah, and then I've got my headphones pretty much turned up all the way. I'll turn them down just a little bit, but everything seems to be just perfectly fine, it seems like. Now if I turn that up all the way, I am just like blaring, but then I'm also humming and huss in the background. So let me turn that so I can't hear it. And that's about the perfect level that it should be, but I don't hear myself very loudly unless I get pretty close to the microphone, and then I'm really pretty good. I really like this. Okay, but this is probably one of the coolest shotgun style microphones. It's the only one I've really had any real experience with, but this thing works out really well. I like it. All right, with that being said, I hope this is helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.